Okay, I just deposited about $200 now, and the mission is to see how much is possible within 90 minutes at max using price action only. For all of our trades today, we'll be applying temporary order block levels, the concept of our breakouts and our retest, combined with our support and resistance. Leverage we'll be using now will be our 1 to unlimited leverage, and then we'll be trading on our XAUUSD, also known as our gold. And the link to the broker is right in the description box there, so feel free to use it also. Alright, okay guys, so this is just what we're having. If we check out this account now, you can literally see that everything is looking very, very clean here. Let me just open that very quickly for you. You can just see that, right? So this is the broker that we're using. The link is already in the description box, right? And now we're using a capital of about 204. That's just what we'll be using, about $200, right? So you can easily just use this broker anytime you want. All right, now let's check out this stuff once again. You can see everything is clean, right? Good. Now let's dive straight to our chart. Now the very first thing we can see on our XAUUSD is what? Is that our chart is pushing towards the top, looking very clean, right? No argument about this at all. Good. Now what can we look at now again? Let me just quickly show you that. We can see that the chart dropped, hit the zone, dropped again towards the zone. Now what did you notice? It hit this as spot here. Let me just quickly show you that. After which it dropped down and it tried crossing again, couldn't, tried again, couldn't. And so what did you notice now is happening? We noticed that a crazy resistance got formed just around this zone here. You can just see that, right? A crazy resistance actually got created, but suddenly it pushed above it. Now let me just show you that again. What happened here is what we call what? A mini order block or a temporary order block. Let me just show you that very quickly. Now the reason is because it's played around this region, created a crazy build up around the spot before pushing up towards the top. So what did we expect? A build up, push towards the top, drops back again towards the zone of our order block, right? Which we call a temporary order block before it takes off again towards the top, right? Good. So now what are we expecting now? We're expecting that if we go on a 5 minutes time frame, we're expecting a crazy rejection to get completed around the zone, and we can storm into our trades. All right. Okay, guys. So now we're having a crazy rejection is completed. That's our rejection is now completed. So you can literally see that, right? A bullish hammer just got created. Let me just show you that very quickly. A bullish hammer got created. So what are we expecting now? We're expecting a massive push towards the top, right? Smoothing like that, right? Good. So what can we do now? We can easily start storming into our trades, right? Just simple like that. No stress at all. No stress at all. All right. So what are we having now? Okay. Now let's see. I'm thinking on adding some more trades, but let me just quickly show you this now. You can just easily see the rejection that got created. Yeah. Right, and now I'm targeting around this zone here. Let me just quickly show you that. I'm targeting around the zones here as my stop loss, and for my take profit, I'm just targeting around those zones here, right? For my take profit, right? These are the zones I'm targeting for my take profit. Maybe add some more positions, right? And then just wait now to just see how this stuff actually goes, right? We'll just wait maybe for the next few minutes and just see how this goes. Okay, so this is what we're having currently, right? So we're just running over $300 of profits currently, right? That's almost $400. Now, what are we having now around that zone? We can easily see that our chart just pushed towards the top nicely like that. You can easily just see this nice movement towards the top, right? Good. So what are we expecting now? We can easily just leave this trade now, right? I'm thinking on leaving. I think it's dropping. Okay, let's just leave this trade. Let's just leave this. Okay, so that's about 491, right? So this is actually looking very, very clean. About 491. That's almost $500. That's very smooth. All right. Okay, guys. So this is exactly what we're having currently, right? Good. Now, what do you notice happened here? A nice rejection, right? After which it created a nice resistance, pushed towards the top, dropped back down for a normal standard retest around the zone. So what are we expecting now? A continuation towards the top, right? So what can we do now? We can storm in, but then look at this now. What do you notice around these zones now? You can notice series of rejections, right? And those zones, there will be our take profit regions. And you can already see that this stuff already broke above our region, yeah, right? If you check that out, so we can easily go into this trade, right? Let's just use 0.2 this time around. Let's just storm in with 0.2. Which is actually very, very smooth, right? Now, as regards our stop loss, I have not told you about that, but it's fine. Let me just show you that now very quickly. Now, for our stop loss, we're just looking around the zone here, right? Just around the zone. It hit that spot, we're out. But then I want to add in some more trades. This one is dropping down like that. I want to add some more trades. Okay, let me see. Okay, I want another candlestick to get created first. Just on that candlestick first. Good. I want to add some more trades. Let me just add, let me see, just 1 or 2 more trades like that. And I think that's it. I don't feel like adding some more trades. It's okay. It's okay. I don't want to increase the risks too much. All right. So this is what we're having currently. You can literally just see this crazy movement, guys. We're having just about 1.7k now. 1.7k. Of course, we're going to rush out of this trade now, but then if you look at this now, it actually just hit a first level of rejection, which I was showing you just a moment ago. So guys, let's just zoom off this trade, right? Let's just zoom off. Maybe around $2,000. Okay, that's it. Boom. So we're actually having just about 2.5k, approximately 2.5k. That's what we're having around this region now, which is actually very small. So this is what we're having now, guys. What did you notice? It dropped back down again, right? It dropped back down for a normal standard retest of this our region here. This our resistance level, which it had broken above, right? Remember, that was our take profit region. Okay, so what can we do now? We can easily just storm in some more trades. Just use $0.3 this time around. Okay. All right, so this is what we're having currently, right? So this is actually looking very, very smooth. So we're just targeting just around the zone for our stop loss, right? And then we are targeting these regions for our take profit levels just again, because we're having some crazy rejections around those spots, right? Good. Okay, we're in red. We're red. Okay, we're red, guys. We're red, but we have enough. We have enough capital now, so that's good. We have enough capital now. I'm thinking on adding some more trades, actually. I'm thinking on adding some more trades, right? Let me just add some more, right? It's okay. Let me just add some more. We have enough capital. We have enough equity to handle this, so it's okay. But I'm thinking that will be the last, right? I'm thinking that will be the last. Okay, I'm not adding anything more again. Okay, okay, let me just... Okay, I'm thinking, okay, let me just add this. This will just be the last. This will just be the last. That's it. That's it. I'm not adding some more trades. I'm not adding. So all we just need to do now is we'll just wait a little bit. Good. Now, this is what we're having currently, guys. So what can you see? Just hit that rejection level that I was just telling you about, right? And so what are we expecting now? We're expecting that we should have crossed over. We should be way over $2,000 now, right? This over $4,000 of profit already. And I'm thinking on just zooming up this trade. Boom. Okay, so now we are running just about 4.1k. And if you check out this account is looking very, very clean. You can just see everything again, looking as clean as possible, right? Remember, the link to this broker is in the description box. And this is just what we're having, just about 4.1k currently, just like that. So what we're just going to do now, guys, you already know how it goes. We're just going to quickly process our withdrawals. But look at this again, just very quickly. We just process our withdrawals and we'll just be right back. So then in processing our withdrawals, you can literally see our profit, just about 3.9k, approximately $4,000. That's what we're able to cash out from the market. And we just withdrew everything as usual. You can see our deposit was about 204. That was our deposit. And now we are back to a balance of 204, right? Because, well, we cashed out everything, right? Just before you ask in the comment section, the reason why we're able to stock in a lot of trades like that on our $200 accounts to begin with is because we're using our unlimited leverage. And when you're using every single price action here, you don't have to start by using unlimited leverage. You can decide to use just 1 to 200 or 1 to 500 leverage. Then as time goes on, as your hands get stronger, you can keep increasing your leverage gradually, just like that. If there's any aspect of this video you don't fully understand, feel free to watch it over and over again until you understand exactly how every concept here works. So that if you're new to this YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. So bye from you guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.